Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split the screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you want to split your screen up into as many as 4 different quadrants, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's good for multitasking as well as if you want to see multiple windows at the same time. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So basically it's just Windows Arrow, by the way, so most of you guys probably already are familiar with that, but some people might not, so I just wanted to make a brief tutorial about it. So anyway, let's go ahead and actually open up 2 different windows here. 2 completely different windows, by the way, so let's just open up the store as well. So let's say we want to have each one of these screens take up half of the screen. Just drag the top bar of the window over to the far left or right side or top, depending on what side of the screen you want it to take over. And then you could select the other window in the other quadrant here, just left click on the center active button. It would open up in there. Alternatively, you could just drag this window also over just to the far right side as well. And you could do this for up to 4 different icons as well. So if you have 4 different programs, you can use 4 different corners of your screen. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.